Smart Lock Installation Tutorial. Introduction to the list of accessories. Front lock, rear lock, base plate, screw tube fixing stud, spare reversing screw, connecting screw, gasket, spare handle screw, rear lock fixing screws, square rod, IC card, keys, adjustment of the lock body latch direction, inclined, plane. If the door is pushed inwards, the angled surface of the latch faces outwards and the flat latch faces inwards. If the door is pulled outwards, the tilted side of the latch faces inwards and the flat side of the latch faces outwards. This step is the lock body latch outside the door. To adjust the direction of the inner push door, if you do not need to adjust, can ignore this step. Adjusting the cam direction of the lock body, start by flicking the clutch up and pressing the latch in. Rotate the latch 180 degrees. The latch will spring back and change direction. That is, the adjustment is complete. Oblique tongue yule, square tongue down. Insert the lock body into the door frame groove. Screw on the self-tapping screws. Front lock installation preparation. Adjust the front handle direction according to the door opening direction. Loosen and remove the handle fixing screws. In video, right-handed door handle faces right. Retighten the screw fixing handle. Successful adjustment. When handle springs back, select appropriate installation screw tube. Connect screw tube to stud. Adjust stud position vertically according to door cutout. Tighten firmly with pliers at optimal position. First thread power cable through square rod. Then insert square rod into front lock. Pass crossbolt screws through washers. Align front lock with base plate against door surface. Insert crossbolt screws through base plate into front lock tubes. Fully thread crossbolt screws into tubes. Rear lock installation preparation. Adjust the rear handle direction according to the door opening direction. Loosen and remove the handle fixing screws. In the video, right-handed door handle faces left. Retighten the screw fixing handle. Successful adjustment. When the handle springs back, after adjustment, all handles should face outward. Remove the battery cover fixing screw. Open the rear lock battery compartment. Smart lock installation. Align the square rod with the lock body as square hole. Then attach the front lock to the door. Pass the power cable through the rear lock base plate and attach it to the door. Secure the base plate and front lock with screws and washers. Do not fully tighten yet. Align the front and rear locks parallel to the door edge. Center the square rod, then fully tighten the screws. Route the power cable through the rear lock. Secure the rear lock with fixing screws. Connect the power cable to the rear lock as mainboard port. Install 4 AAA batteries with correct polarity alignment. Neatly arrange the power cable and reattach the battery cover. Secure the battery cover with its screw. Press and hold the small hole on the rear handle for 5 seconds to reset. Installation complete. Self-test verification. Fingerprint unlocking. Passcode unlocking. Card unlocking. Key unlocking. Press handle down to unlock.